Alright YouTube, what's up? It's USMC Vet here. Alright guys and gals, so we're back revisiting the raised bed. So in the video I done earlier today, I talked about building this for a raised bed for growing food, vegetables and stuff. This will also make good for a hasty firefighting hole. If you fill it full of packed dirt and you don't have sandbags, you can definitely use the same method. You can wrap the inside with black cloth, the barrier, and fill it full of packed dirt, especially if your earth is super hard to dig in. It's in an L configuration, as you can see. So theoretically you could sit back there. It is 3 feet deep on the sides, and then the longest point here from this point to that point, which gives you a little bit more room with packed dirt, and be a great raised fighting position. Now with that being said, we're going to talk about the nuclear option. If you can't get a bunker or shelter or anything dug out in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And check us out on Patreon. Got a lot of PDFs over there that are of very good interest. You can download a lot of books and stuff. It's $1 a month. I usually don't push it, but I don't think I can put them up anywhere else. So if you want to go over and check it out on Patreon and get all the links or all the PDFs and download them to a thumb drive, put them on a micro SD card, so you can put them in your Kindle or whatever device, iPad, Samsung, whatever. You can put them on there, download them, and it is all the versions that I could find of new books, old books on nuclear fallout. So if you're interested in that, check us out at Patreon. Links are will be below or at the home screen. So I'll go back and put all this stuff in the video later at the bottom in the drop down box. So think about doing that, and then as we get more involved with this, I'll show you more and more as steps go. But anyways, guys and gals, thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, most complaints, leave me in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify, Godspeed. Have a great day.